Hi everyone, I'm back with November's Potomac Beads Bead Box XL. This is the larger one. They have a smaller one and then they have this larger one. And I pay for it myself. It's not sponsored, but I am an affiliate. So if you click on the link to subscribe in the description box below, I will get a little bit of commission. And for that, I thank you for supporting my channel. So without further ado, let's see what's in November's box. Here we go. This is the Potomac Beads Bead Box, Best Bead Box XL. And this month, well, the month of November, was Harvest Bloom. I really like, I've said it in a previous video, I really like this big box because I like seed beading, but not as much as I like wire working. But I still like to make little things here and there. And I made one of their bracelets last time with one of the boxes from, I think it was September or August. And look at how pretty this turned out. Their instructions are really clear. And if there's any doubts, you can usually find a YouTube video explaining the steps to make it, even easier to make your jewelry. So here in this, let's see, in this little note that we get the, the beads. You get 2 projects and the beads that you need for it. So 2 project tutorials or patterns, and then the beads that are needed for it. And then you get some extra beads for your stash. And they just give you a bonus pattern, but they don't include the materials for that one. But they're always having really nice sales on their website. So here is we got the 2 patterns. I have the chrysanthemum necklace, and like I said, here's all the beads that you'll need. And that's really nice because they put them in, they bag them up for you so you know which is what. It looks like from the pearls, and the pearls in these flowers. So this kit goes with these supplies right here. So I usually just set them aside together. And then the next pattern is the flower disc earrings. These are really pretty. And here is the materials for this one. It looks like, yes, there's those little pretty dual beads. And then here's that material, I mean not material, but here's that bonus pattern, and it's the Chesapeake spangle. And it also lists what materials you need, so you can just go and order them or check through your stash and see if you have these. You might not have them in these colors, but as long as you have, the materials, that would work. So, and like I said, here is the pattern step by step. And then here you can find see how it says watch the video version of this pattern here. So it says here, and here you can click on here for the full-size pattern, so you can get this even larger if you wanted to. So that's pretty neat too. So this box is really cool because if you're not familiar very much with seed beading, then this is a great way to get started and get yourself familiarized with the types of beads that that exist out there, what combos are better, techniques, all that kind of stuff. So like this bracelet, it's peyote stitch. I had no idea, or at least it hadn't occurred to me, that you can use different beads or clusters. Here we are using the peyote stitch in clusters of 3, and then some of these beads equal the sizes of 3 seed beads. So it's really interesting how you learn new techniques, learn about the types of beads that you can use. And you can bezel, like here's a bezeling of it looks like you're bezeling some beads. So I don't think I've done this type of pattern right here. So that is really cool. So if you're interested in learning how to seed bead, this box is great for that. So to show you what we get for beads for your stash, the first one in our beads for your stash are these really pretty 12 millimeter cabochon beads in rose quartz. Oop, they're slippery too. So that is the cabochon, and if you learn how to bezel with seed beading, these are perfect for some earrings. I would think they make really pretty earrings as a centerpiece. Then there are these seed beads, and these are Mayuki seed beads, silver line, dark, and 11 O's. So I won't take these out because they will go all over the place, but you can see how pretty they are, and look like little rainbows. So that we're getting that in that stash, not for our stash. Mayuki drop matte light. They are 3.4 millimeter and amethyst AB. Look how pretty these are. And they have like, are they little drops? Yeah. The little drops are, they're like super tiny, super cute. And the little, like, you know what these would be really good for if you know how to do kumahimo. These little drops would look absolutely adorable in a kumahimo project. You know, they got the little hole on the top. So they're drilled on the top, but they're nice and chubby. They're really cute. Then it looks like we have some natural stones. These are natural gemstones. These are crazy lace agate and round 6 millimeter beads. So see, you don't only get seed beads and, you know, super duals and all that. You also get some really pretty natural gemstones. So I like crazy lace. Is it crazy lace is what it's called? Yeah, crazy lace. Sometimes they have them in pink. I have some crazy lace, what do you call it? Cabochons in pink, or pendants. I think they're pendants. And they're really pretty because they're dyed. So they pretty much can dye them any color. And they have all these little, they have all these little lines and textures. Well, not textures because you can't feel it, but they have all these little lines that really add dimension to these beads. These are really pretty. Look at these pretty things. These are the Potomac crystal cushions in olivine, and they are 12 millimeter. How pretty are these? Look at that. Potomac just came out with their own crystals, and they've got the metal flat, you know, metal back. So that's really nice because as you know, they phase out Swarovski. We definitely need something to replace them, and I like their crystals. They're really pretty. Then there are these Mayuki seed beads, matte silver lined in light blush, and they're 8 O's. Look at how pretty the blush color is. They got the, you can see the silver lining, which really makes them, I don't know, it really makes them sparkle. Not sparkle, but they have that, it gives them kind of like I think a cat eye look. I might use these for a kumahimo bracelet and mix them up with those other ones that we saw with the drops. These are the tube clasps, 2-strand antique brass, and it's a pack of 2. Yeah, I get 2 of them. Antique brass. These are perfect for multi-strand bracelets. Then we have these cool, very futuristic seed beads. These are Czech seed beads, aluminum, silver, 8-0. So these are not Japanese. And if you want to know the difference between the Czech and the Japanese, like the Mayuki or the Tohos, Tohos and Mayuki are really uniform. They're exactly all little tubes or all little round beads. Whereas Czech seed beads have more of an organic shape. They're not all perfectly the same. So, but they're fun too. Especially in larger sizes, they're fun to make, you know, like wrap bracelets, things like that. These are pretty though, this color. They're perfect for, like I said, knotting or wrap bracelets. Here, these are really pretty. These are Potomac crystal long ovals in gold champa. That's how it's spelled. Look at the back. It's metallic back. These are really pretty. If you like Sutesh, these crystals are also really, really pretty to use on them. And then there is They sent us some Potomac crystal rondelle beads in metallic bronze iris, and these are 2 by 3 millimeters. So some pretty nice rondelles. They're perfect for seed beading as well. I think I have some rondelles on my, is it on my bracelet? Maybe, no. I thought I did. No, they're round. So some pretty rondelles, nice and sparkly. Oh, look at these pretty ones. These are Potomac crystal bicones, pink opal, 3 millimeter. These are really pretty bicones too. And pink opal. So we have some really beautiful purple bicones here. They are Alexandrite 8B, and they're 6 millimeter. Beautiful crystal bicones. These are really nice. Oh, I can't bring them up too far because they'll get distorted, but I like the AB. So this is the Harvest Bloom Best Bead Box XL for November from Potomac Beads. What do you guys think? Did you like this month's beads? Do you like to seed bead? Leave all in the comments down below if you are a big avid seed beader, or you like this, that where you can find exact list of what you need and you know, some nice patterns to follow. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. This was just an unboxing. I will be back with a tutorial soon, so don't forget to subscribe if you're new here and ring that notification bell that's right beside it so you get notified when I upload my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.